The Auckland Girls' School, Marist College, is one of the clusters of infection being tracked by health authorities. 11 people connected with the school are now confirmed to have Covid-19. The first case was a teacher, and that was confirmed on Sunday. By yesterday, there were a total of 5 cases within the school community. Today, it's 11. Marist College Board Chair Stephen Dallow joins us now. Good evening, Stephen. What have you been told to expect in terms of more cases?
Oh, kia ora, Lisa. Look, it is expected to grow, a bit like what our Prime Minister is saying. It's going to get worse before it calms. At the moment, we have had new numbers in the last little while that we're now hitting 13, which is 9 staff and 4 students, all in our senior years of the college.
So are those confirmed or probable cases? What can you tell us?
Yes, they are confirmed cases from parents that have been notified in the last few hours.
So what is the school community saying to you about the situation, and have you named these people to students and parents and teachers within that community?
We haven't named them. We've worked really closely with the Ministry of Health on this, who take our contact lists and are making contact directly with any students or staff that would have come in close contact with any confirmed case. We want to respect our students' privacy through this process. Our community is scared. Some of them are worried and nervous. Others are 100% supportive of what we are doing. The key thing is working closely with the Ministry of Health to make sure that we are getting the information out to our community as quickly as possible.
In some ways, does not naming these people to your school community create more fear because everyone's looking over their shoulder wondering?
Probably does, but today we did let our community know that the students are just in year 12 and 13 at this stage, and I myself have had a phone call from the Ministry of Health, so I know that they are quickly responding to anybody that has come in close contact. And I guess, it's a case of trusting the process. We want to make sure our students' well-being is looked after in their mental health, and I'm concerned if we started naming students or teachers, that wouldn't be fair.
Stephen, what do you know about how these people are doing, the 13 people, what kind of symptoms they had and how, intense the cases are?
From the ones that I've spoken personally with, a lot of it was mild to medium symptoms, very much sort of the cold and flu type symptoms, coughing and the fever. Some of the ones that we've got test results back, because they were tested nearly 4 or 5 days ago now, are actually already feeling much better, if not back to full health. However, we're aware some are still feeling the full brunt of flu-like symptoms. I'm conscious of a couple of teachers that, have got it pretty tough, but to my knowledge, none of our team are in hospital.
So what can you tell us about the circumstances of the first case?
Well, we don't really know where the first case came from. I'm guessing we may never know.
You mean you don't know where that person contracted it from?
No, they didn't meet anybody from overseas or have any direct overseas links. There was, rumours out there about where family and things had worked, but Ministry of Health have come back going, no, that's not the case. We've also got students that may have contracted it in their part-time jobs or workplaces, not necessarily through school either. It is unknown, and I'd hate to speculate.
Thank you for joining us tonight. That is Marist College Board Chair Stephen Dallow.